श्रीराम समर्थ श्रीराम. तुम्ही श्रोते जगदीश मूर्ती, तेथे माझी वित्पत्ती किती. बुद्धिहीन अल्पमती, सलगी करीतो श्रीराम. जय जय रघुवीर समर्थ, सीताकांत स्मरण जय जय राम. ओम श्री श्री सद्गुरुनाथार्पणमस्तु. Good morning, my friends. I remind you that I have started a non-duality series in respect of Advaita Grantha written by Samartha Sadguru Ramdas Swami way back 400 years ago. The purpose of illustrating the Advaita Vedanta, that whether the Grantharaja Dasbodh is a Advaita Grantha or not, and if so, Samartha Ramdas Swami, how they have explained about this Advaita Vedanta in the Grantharaja Dasbodh. I told 2-3 days back that there are so many pathways to attain and recognize the Supreme Being. And in that context, Samartha Ramdas Swami have written this Dasabodh in form of ovis. Ovis in the sense, Samartha Ramdas Swami was a great poet, and in that regard, the first dashaka, I have narrated it in my earlier video, that the samasas, 10 samasas, consists of one dashaka. So there are 20 dashakas and 200 samasas in Dasabodh. The first dashaka refers to Stavana Nama. Stavana Nama means praise, describing the importance of all the things, whatever important for a human being. And in Shastras, what has been told, which is important in the right sense, that has all been narrated by Samartha Ramdas Swami. They starts in the first samasa, that what is this Dasabodh. I read it first 2 or 3 ovis or you may even also call it as shlokas or whatever you feel it better. Shri Ram Samarth Shri Ram. श्रोते पुसती कोण ग्रंथ काय बोलिले जीथ श्रवण केलियाने प्राप्त काय आहे श्रीराम. ग्रंथानाम दासबोध गुरु शिष्यांचा संवाद येथ बोलिला विशद भक्ती मार्ग श्रीराम. So, at the very instance itself, we can recognize that whatever it has been written in the Dasabodh is of relating to Bhakti Marg. But they also tells about which are Navavida Bhakti, Vairagya and Adhyatma Nirupana, Bhakti and मुख्य भक्ति, शुद्ध ज्ञान, आत्मस्थिति, शुद्ध उपदेश, सायोज्य मुक्ति, मोक्ष प्राप्ति, शुद्ध स्वरूप. शुद्ध स्वरूप means what is our basic reality, the original, what we are. And videha sthiti. Videha sthiti means whatever we are in the form of this body, by living that body itself, while living itself. So that is what the state of being, remaining in that state is called as videha sthiti. Aliptapana, the decision, how the recognition of aliptapana is involved. And all that, Mukhya Brahma, and all so many, panthas, matas, and all that. And besides being, who am I? Apana kona ha nishchayo. This is also, they have narrated. Mukhya Upasana, how we have to pray God. Kavitva Lakshana, poetry, Chaturya Lakshana, and so on and so forth. They starts. And what is important for me in this way is I have taken the selected samasas from the renowned dashakas only to cover the aspect of non-duality. Non-duality, and more particularly the direct path. In that way, the last samasa of the first dashaka is called Naradehastavan. Naradehastavan, today's topic is the importance of the human body. And Samartha Ramdas Swami prays it, elucidates it, what is the importance of the human body. And this is the Samas 10 of first Dashaka. And I cover two Samasas in the first Dashaka. First thing is, what is the importance of the human body, and thereafter, after coming to know about the importance of this human body, and it is for what purpose it has been meant for, that is very important. That would be covered in the second or third of my series. And in this way, the importance of a human body is so important that after having a human body, what all the persons, people are doing to fulfill their utmost desire is also very important. And that has also been narrated by Samartha Ramdas Swami. In that context, what I mean to refer here is the path chosen by the people are, as there are progressive paths, and what I mean to refer to here is the direct path. Whether Samartha Ramdas Swami has explained it or not is the question that I am going to deal with. In that context, day after yesterday or 3-4 days, I went through by referring Rupert Spira, and he is the only person, as per my knowledge, he is a great person. I love him, I admire him, I also appreciate very kindly. He is so kind enough that even he would not also be called as a teacher. That is his greatness. As I firstly, enchanted the ओवी of Samartha Ramdas Swami, तुम्ही श्रोते जगदीश मूर्ती, तेथे माझी वित्पत्ती किती, बुद्धिहीन अल्पमती सलगी करीतो. Means Samartha Ramdas Swami praises insofar as in Dasbodh itself to the audience with a great respect, with what the respect that have been given to the audience, that is very important. And the status given by Samartha Ramdas Swami to the audience, those who are listening to their words, is what the status is, the Jagadisha Murti. Jagadisha means the world, the whole world is the head, who is the Jagadisha, Ishvara. The same status has been given to the audience itself. Therefore, in the sense what Rupert Spira calls himself, that I am not a teacher. I am very fond of him, I respect him, I bow to him more particularly. And I am calling upon that this is a great, so many people, those who are coming across with Rupert Spira, they can definitely get benefited by this non-duality, and more particularly the ways what he has handling the people, those who are approaching him for want of peace, happiness, and the ultimate desire. Everybody wants to know it. In that way, I once again respect by my friends, close friends, insofar as non-duality, those who are propagating it, like Rupert Spira, and my even other friend, Dr. Deepak Chopra. They are all elder than me. Rupert Spira is 6-7 years older than me, and 75, 76, I think, biological age of Dr. Deepak Chopra. They are very astounding, and since from the beginning itself they are doing this work. And more particularly, Rupert Spira, he has started to propagate and conduct his retreats and all that is very recent past. It is very 2-3 years old. And when I heard about his SAND conferences, SAND means science and non-duality, SAND conferences, I have heard his videos and all that, and thereafter I have convinced that he is a great person. I particularly thought of his my conclusion about Rupert Spira is final. He is the greatest person on the earth. Nobody comes to fulfill that place. So therefore, he is such a person. And in that regard, with those words, I start my conversation. What is the importance of the body? And with this body, what the people are doing? And in what that the doing and other things, what all the progressive paths are involved with. So I go on, chanting the OVs here. Shri Ram Samartha Shri Ram Dhanya Dhanya Ha Naradeho Ethila Purvata Paho Jojo Kije Paramartha Laho Toto Pave Siddhi Te Shri Ram. It is, this is the greatness that we are having this human body. They starts with these words. What a greatness of a human being is that we are having this human body. Itself is a very astounding that we have been blessed with this human body. And why it has been so saying is, whatever you do with the intention of Paramarth, my next topic, next or the other topic, we going to be involved from the first Dashaka is the, Paramartha Stavana. This is the Naradeha Stavana, praying the importance of a human body. And my next, because I think 1 or 2 sessions will be going to be happening for this Naradeha Stavana, because it is a big one. Why? Because the first, this samasa itself is long, and more particularly another samas is also to be involved. Dehe Durlabha Nirupana, which has been narrated in another Dashaka, because I am assimilating both of them in order to get in touch with the same meaning and same context, because I cannot want to repeat them again and again. So therefore, 2 sessions are going to be conducted for this, explaining about the importance of the human body. And in that sense, Paramartha is the third, that what I am taking here. If Parama, the highest, the supreme, highest. Artha means wealth. Highest wealth on the earth. After getting the human body, what one has to earn is the highest wealth, that is to be called as a Paramartha. And in that sense, that is the second topic. So first thing, the human body that we are all having, and the people, what they are doing. Ya narade hache nilagavege, ek lagale bhakti sange, ek parama vitarage, girikandare sevire. Vitaragale, everything by living alone, they go to Himalaya and all that. Girikandare means, a forest, they go. Ek Pirati Tirthatane, Tirthayatra, and Ek करीती पुरश्चरणे एक अखंड नामस्मरणे निष्ठावंत राहिले. Chanting mantra and all that. Somebody is doing that. One is एक तपे करू लागले, tapasya, meditation, and one is yoga abhyas, yoga, and another one is अभ्यास योगे झाले वेदशास्त्री व्युत्पन्न. By becoming, by studiousness itself, he will develop his yoga. By doing karma or whatever he intending to do, by doing that itself, he will become great or achieve the greatness by way of his own karma, good deeds. So then others, there are so many things. Hatha nigraha. By doing hatha nigraha means hatha yoga. They are all coming under the Patanjali Yoga Sutra. Hatha nigraha. By deha atyanta pidila, troubling the human body, and such so many. Ek mahanubhava vikhyata, ek bhakta zhale khyata, ek siddha akasmat gagana ulagati. And some persons are like this, that they wander here and there without saying anything else, without propagating anything about Adhyatma Shastra or Paramartha or the self realization, whatever. They cannot at all do anything like that. But even though they are having the greatness of this human body, that they themselves, it is such a wonderful gift to the mankind. And like such so many Eka Hatha Nigraha, Krita Buddhi, Jayasa Ulalya Nana Siddhi, so many Siddha, Sadhu, Satpurusha, they are all happened, earlier happened, now happening, and in future will also happen. So like this, ऐसे सिद्ध लक्षावधि होऊन गेले. So many Siddha, Sadhu have happened and passed away, gone. एक मनो सिद्ध, एक वाचा सिद्ध, एक अल्प सिद्ध, एक सर्व सिद्ध, ऐसे नाना प्रकारीचे सिद्ध विख्यात झाले. So these are all types of narration that Samartha Ramdas Swami goes on to explain here. But one important OV is that Ya Naradehache Niyadhare, because of the this human body, Nana Sadhanache Nidware, so many, as I was talking about this, progressive paths, mantra, chanting, yoga abhyasa, these are all already Samartha Ramdas Swami have explained it. Nana sadhana cheji, mukhya sara asara vichare, bahuta sutale. And what is that mukhya sara asara? Sara asara, which is real, which is not real, which is unreal. This is very important. Which is real, which is unreal or not real. In that sense, who has committed to take the source of information from the Sadguru. These are all, as I told you starting, Guru Shishyanche Samare. Shishya means actually there are no Guru and Shishyas. But for the sake of knowing what is important, if somebody don't know, that in that sense, the Shishya or the disciple ask the questions to the Sadguru. Not Guru, there are so many Gurus. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo, Maheshwaraha, Guru Sakshat Parabrahm. Yes, this is all Guru. But Sadguru is different. What I am propagating it is Sadguru Sadguru means it is the highest in the sense. There are so many gurus. Sadguru is different. So that is what या नरदेहाचेनि आधारे नाना साधनांचेनि मुख्य सारा सार बहुत सुटले बहुत पावले उत्तम पदे अहंता सांडून स्वानंदे सुखी झाले. Then again नरदेह येऊन सकळ. On the other hand, Samartha Ramdas Swami reminds us that even though we have got this human body, but udharagati pavale keval, who have succeeded to earn, to get that wealth, paramartha, the highest wealth, beyond that there is nothing. That is the highest, supreme wealth. Who have got that is only limited persons. That is what udharagati pavale keval. Ithe samshayache moola khandona geli. Means the doubt, who has no any doubt in respect of anything else on this earth, he can only, such persons are only limited. And again I intend to remind that without doubt, is there any person, I again take the name of Rupert Spira, because his explanations are no doubt, without any doubt. He goes to explain, and he goes to the direct path, directly touches to the heart. And I have heard so many of videos. I am hats off to him, his conversations, and taking to anybody else, anybody on this earth. So udharagati pavale keval ite samshayache moola khandona geli. Why this is so? Pashudehi nahi gati. You only, as a human being only it is possible, and not in any other form of bodies. You for example, you may take dog, mouse, and cats, so many birds, so many reptiles, crocodiles, anything else. No any form except the human body, human being. पशुदेही नाही गती ऐसी सर्वत्र बोलती म्हणून नरदेहीच प्राप्ती परलोकाची. What is that? Only in the, in this देहामध्ये देही आतुडे मुख्य परमात्मा, देहामध्ये देही आतुडे. Only because of we are having this human body, we can get, we are having that capacity only for the human beings. This is very perfectly and convincingly and with a great conviction what Samartha Ramdas Swami tells us here. Only म्हणून नरदेहीच प्राप्ती परलोकाची. Then accordingly, संत, महंत, ऋषी, मुनी, सिद्ध, साधु, समाज, भक्त, मुक्त, ब्रह्मज्ञानी, विरक्त, योगी, तपस्वी, they are all happened with only having with this human body. विरक्त योगी, तत्वज्ञानी, योगाभ्यासी, ब्रह्मचारी, दिगंबर, संन्यासी, षड्दर्शनी, तापसी, नरदेहीच झाले. All whatever greatest you may take in this world, and that too capable of understanding to the human intellect only. You can ascribe them or describe them whatever form. They are all only in the form of human body, human beings. They have म्हणून नरदेह श्रेष्ठ. म्हणून नरदेह. Why? Therefore, this human body is great. नाना देहामध्ये वरिष्ठ. At the top, only the highest, greatest thing, greatest body of all the bodies. amongst all the bodies of what I told, so many creatures, reptiles, mammals, whatever you take. Nanadiha jayacheni chuke arishtha yamayatane. Yamayatane means what? This, suffering. You may take whatever sufferings are there. Whatever sufferings, who have vanished those sufferings, he can only, then only it will be successful for having got the human body. Jayache nichuke arishtra yamayat. So this is today's, this much is, I think this is sufficient for today's, because time is running up. And you see, this is the content must be limited to that extent. But so it cannot also be bored to the audience. Therefore, the brief importance and of this human body that I have told. And I once again remind you that this is a great conversation, provided you can go to the website and you can read it. It is also available in English, Marathi, everywhere. But that should be understood is the something difficulty, I think. Therefore, I am conducting these conversations. Let the message should be spread across the globe, across the world. If you are interested, please like, comment, and share the video to your acquaintances. And more particularly, I will carry out this work for my entire life in my future, except my other works, because the science is coming to the threshold of its its research, whatever it may be, because the mind and intellect behind the back of the science is limited, and the nature of the mind is totally depending upon the reality, which is consciousness. From the consciousness, every human being take the source, and then he invent anything else to be called as science and all that. So therefore, there is no, what is the authenticity? If anybody asks that, if you find it in the science and all that, what is the authenticity? Is that should be proven, that should be proved. But because of the laxity of this supreme attainment, the science, the exercise of finding out anything else through science will be a futile exercise. Therefore, everybody must know, first thing first, one must has to know the nature of the mind, and then thereafter, if he does anything good, then it will be good to the society at large. And in that way, it was my great intention for since long back that I have to do something else. In that way, I am a person to be involved with the greatest persons on the earth. As I told you, Dr. Deepak Chopra and another my close friend Rupert Spara, they are doing good thing to the whole society. So many people, so many across the globe, that they are understanding what is the reality. And I more particularly appreciate appreciate the work of Rupert Spira and his great team. His team is very wonderful team. And provided I also request him to, accept me in his team, because on the other way that I am interested in non-duality because of my reading since childhood, so far as Advaita Grantha Samartha Ramdas Swami is concerned, Dasbodh is concerned, that is a great thing. And my Sadguru is concerned. Day after yesterday I have made one video in Kannada. I met with my history and the Sadguru Kripa. In the title I have made it. But those who are interested or may not be interested, that I cannot I cannot press them anymore. If they are interested, they may accompany me. Let we all proceed further to be better with ourselves and to make the world better. Health, wealthy, happiness. Happiness is more important than anything else on the earth. So with these words, I conclude. Om Shri Shri Sadgurunatha Pranamastu.